ní kọ̀ọ̀kan ṣe ìpínlẹ̀ mọ́.
That time is 10 o'clock. Good morning. Here is the news at 10 on OGBC. My name is Titilope, Awobajo. The Ogun State government has again charged the people to key into its various health initiatives for improved well-being. The Deputy Governor, Engineer Naimot Salap Oyedele, gave the charge on Tuesday in Shagamu at the opening of this year's Health Week of the Collectives Club. Engineer Salap Oyedele made it known that the current administration, since inception in 2019, has employed over 1,000 health personnel across the state health institutions to meet the medical needs of the people. She called on the residents to embrace the health insurance scheme for prompt and quality service delivery and overall wellness, emphasizing that healthy citizenry is the bedrock of sustainable development. The deputy governor restated government's determination to always ensure that the people do not pay through their nose to access health care. The federal government has inaugurated a 10-man inter-ministerial committee to enforce the Supreme Court judgment on local government autonomy. In a statement on Tuesday, the Director of Information and Public Relations, Office of the Secretary to the Government of the Federation, Mr. Shegun Imohiosen, said the federal government had set up a committee for the implementation of the judgment. The Minister of Finance and Coordinating Minister of the Economy, the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, the Minister of Budget and Economic Planning, and the Accountant General of the Federation are members of the committee. Others are the Governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria, the Permanent Secretary, Federal Minister of Finance, Chairman, Revenue, Mobilization, Allocation and Fiscal Commission, representatives of state governments, and representatives of local governments. The Supreme Court had on July 11th granted local governments across the country autonomy. The Apex Court 7-man panel in the judgment delivered by Justice Emmanuel Agim declared that the 774 local government councils in the country should manage their funds themselves. The UK government has donated a counter-insurgency training facility to the Nigerian Armed Forces, according to the UK mission in Nigeria. The training was funded by the UK through its Ministry of Defence and built by a team of Royal Engineers from the British Army working alongside Nigerian Army engineers. The facility is set to make training more realistic for the soldiers and help prepare trainees to operate effectively during deployments. Nigeria's Chief of Army Staff, Lieutenant General Tariq Laboja, represented by Major General S.J. Mohammed, opened the training facility in Ogun State alongside the British Deputy High Commissioner in Lagos, Mr. Johnny Baxter, and UK's Ministry of Defence Brigadier Martin Leach. Speaking at the handover ceremony, Deputy High Commissioner Mr. Johnny Baxter said the UK has deep interests in Nigeria's development, security, and stability. The Iranian state media had said that a bus carrying Pakistani pilgrims overturned in Iran, killing at least 28 passengers. Reports say the crash happened on Tuesday night in the central Iranian province of Yazd and was due to a defective braking system, citing a preliminary police investigation. Another 23 passengers were said to be injured, 7 of them critically. The pilgrims were traveling from the Sindh province in Pakistan to Iraq's holy city of Kabbalah to commemorate one of the biggest events in the Shia calendar. Some 53 people are believed to have been in the bus at the time of the crash, including pilgrims from Lakhana, Gotki, and cities insane. On sport, former national triple jump champion Olu Sule has called on the Federal Minister of Sports Development to clamp down on age cheats at the forthcoming National Youth Games September 19th and 19th, September 9th, I beg your pardon, and 19th in Asaba, Delta State. The National Youth Games is opened only to under 15 athletes. Sule believes the only way to achieve the aim of nurturing talents is by taking stringent measures against cheats at events. Meanwhile, sports ministries officials and the organizing committee have inspected the facilities at the Stephen Keshi Stadium, Asaba, and other venues to be used for the multi-sports event. That was the news at 10 on OGBC, packaged by Wahidu Punjabi. For exclusive programs and the latest news updates, visit our website at www.openradio.ng. Follow us on Facebook at Open Radio Abeokuta and on X at OGBC 90.5 FM.